secure, contain, protect. SCP-096 is a tall humanoid which kill any human looking at its face. At the date and time, it breached containment from Site. The rebels against the SCP Foundation, so-called the Chaos Insurgency, has uploaded this video. We censored its face so you are safe, unless you saw the original video. But the footage the Chaos Insurgency uploaded caused SCP-096 to breach containment. If you have seen its face, move away from any urban areas to keep everyone else safe.
Do not trust them, they are lies.
We have reverted the hack done by the Chaos Insurgency. It is now safe to look at the broadcast TVs again.